Hi, I'm Cqrlog, it's 1 Kilo Hotel. And previous videos we talk about the alerts of the CQ monitor and how the buttons work, but you don't get any alert just by pressing the buttons. You have to do something that makes the alert. And it's a script that Cqrlog is calling every time it hits the alerting condition. So that's external from the Cqrlog, and that's good because it allows you to produce any kind of alert you like. It can be an audible alert or some kind of other alert. It's just up to you. And how we set up this alert, I take the command line. I think it's the best for the video. We see it better with that. And at your home folder you have a hidden folder called config. .config actually, because if the name starts with the dot, it's hidden folder. And under that folder you have a folder called Cqrlog, which holds everything, all your logs, your setups, and those things that are dedicated for you. So there is a folder called voice keyer under that folder, and that's the place we are going to go now, like this. And if we look at inside the folder, I have there some audio files and some test files, and there is a script called voice keyer. This is used for the keying audible contest messages and something like that. It's same as the CW memories, but we talk about that later if you wish. But now we'll look the voice alert script. That's the one Cqrlog will call when it hits alert condition and the button is selected. And with calling this one, it also sends a parameter. And let's open the Nano is the simple editor, and we open this. So this is a script file, and if you're not very oriented to scripting, if there is a hash at the start, it means it's the command line. It doesn't do anything. You can tell your stories there, and that's good for remembering what you have done there. So at first I have here some comments. Cqrlog, when it calls the voice keyer, voice alert script, it will send a parameter that can be my, if it's my alert, log if it's locator, text if it's a text alert, and call if it's a call alert that has the alert coming. So when the script is called, I open another window, you can see what I mean. If we have a script here, I call it like this, and I write here text. That's the first parameter, and when I run this now, this first parameter can be found with the $1 sign. So ePlay is the one that plays the MP3 files and all other audio files. So we call from this script, we call ePlay, and we give a parameter that is the file name that we want to play. And now the folder is the same, and then we have an audio file called $1 with the WAV, and that's the only command actually what we do with this script. If we go back to this folder, we see that we have here my with the WAV text and call and a log. So the $1 is getting one of these, and so it will call the file, which is actually my.wav or log.wav and so on. So that's the idea for this script. And now if we make the alert here, now it will send the text and it will launch the text audio file. I put EU here because it's a very good choice. There are a lot of text. Almost every line has the EU, and put the alert on, and you can hear it will send an alert once per decode. Like this. The same effect we can test here by using the manual start of the script, and if we write text here and press enter, so that's what happens. The Cqrlog sends this kind of string, and if I put here my and log alert, and what was the one, call, like this. And if we put something that doesn't exist, there is no such file, so it doesn't play anything. And I have now CW sounds here, but they can be anything. Just don't put your favorite song as a complete song here for alert. It must be short, otherwise your alert is playing all the time. So just a few seconds. So there was another alert, a new locator for me. So use very small audio files, very short, few seconds. That's the best. And if you want to create the CW alerts, the most simplest way is to go to internet and LCWO, learn CW on net, and there is convert text to CW. So that take a high speed, you can learn it if you listen a few times. Then you can do your string here and convert it and play it like this. And there is a download button here. Oops. Once you can download the MP3 format of the CW you just created, and you can play the MP3 or convert it to the WAV file. That just depends what kind of player you have. And of course this needs 2 audio cards, meaning that you have to have a card that receives the wsjt-x with a new rig. This is inside the rig, or you can have some external modems for that, and then perhaps the alert playing audio card is inside your computer, like I have now in my laptop. So that's the good solution. But now I will show you what else we can do. It's not just the sound alert. You can do anything. It's just up to your imagination. So let's take again the alert script here, and now we comment out this command. Now it's just the text, it doesn't do anything. And I have made a small demonstration script here, and I will transfer this one to here like this. This will set the serial speed, and then it will listen to USB 3, and it will send to USB 3 first the new line, then the same $1 that the Cqrlog is giving, and then it will wait a while and kill the listening script. So I save this now. Oops, wrong button. Like this, and go away, and close also this one. And now I have made a little system. We have here Arduino with a servo, and there's kind of a flag here. So now that listens only the word text, nothing else at the moment. And now if we put the alert on and wait, it will wave the flag every time the text alert is hit. So as you see, you can do anything you like. Turn on your coffee maker, turn on or off your Hamsek lights, whatever. It's just up to you. And that's the good point, that the voice alert is not inside the Cqrlog, but it's outside, and it's a script that you can customize as you wish. So that's the story. 7 trees.